Hello, and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, very interesting developments in the crypto sector today. Obviously, the entire market is sort of consolidating, slightly down even, while money seems to be flowing back into Bitcoin. We've seen that on the Bitcoin dominance chart. Link, however, is slightly up, but also not massively. So it's rather, I would say, still in consolidation mode. Could be that Link is going to push higher once Bitcoin starts to consolidate again. But for now, Link is also just in consolidation mode. The viewpoint actually is still, or the perspective remains unchanged, you could say. I would still like to see one more high on this chart on the micro level. But again, what are we talking about? We're really talking about here currently the micro, the nano level, during which Link could form one more high in wave 5 of 3, as shown here, before we then start that fourth wave pullback, before we then could see another high in wave 5. So this is sort of still the roadmap. And I'm not even saying that we have to get another high. I mean, this already looks pretty complete, but that consolidation for the last few days, we've seen it already. It rather suggests possibly one more high to complete, wave 5 of circle wave 3. Micro support is between $25 and $26.29. This is the micro support area that needs to hold in order to keep this short-term upside expectation alive. Any break below $25, I wouldn't call it bearish. It would simply be our signal to say that the larger wave 4 pullback has actually started before we can then look forward to higher prices in wave 5 of 3. So that's the idea. Wave 5 of 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. I mean, okay, maybe we get already the wave 4 now. It's already moved up high enough. What we wanted essentially is from down here, we wanted one more high. Well, that happened. But then we obviously zoom in, take really a look at the nano structures, and here one more high would still be the best option, or at least let's say it would look best. And then, overall like that, right? This is the idea. So still a bullish outlook for Link. If we get that one more high on the micro level, and I have to say at the moment we're just consolidating above the 38.2 retracement, which is just a standard support for a wave 4. One more high could send us to $33.33 or maybe even $38.36. There are even a couple of levels, 2 levels that are overlapping there, that meet there, which could act as some resistance or even a magnet for the price for the next move up as a target. But then let's not lose sight of the larger time frame chart, because here on the long-term chart we are dealing with the same pattern essentially. So it's this larger third wave that's currently unfolding, but I just showed you on the micro level how this is subdividing. So we're not yet at the end of this larger third wave, at least not in my interpretation. But even if we break below the upper support area, which is here at $25, well, that area around $17.65 should provide key support for the bullish case. That's also visible on the daily chart, 4-day chart actually, because this is the level that really needs to hold if we are bullish. So that basically there's no guarantee, right? But it tells us when the structure is likely deviating from the ideal roadmap, and that's a warning. So next upside level is also here, around 38.40 is the next larger degree Fib level, and then 55.37 and 69.22 as first ideal target for that third wave actually. But we might, this is the first ideal target, right? It might actually even go higher. Actually, I need to adjust it because I switched the wave degrees recently, got me confused briefly. No, it's the first ideal target for this third wave, so I'm gonna adjust it after the video. So if we get in this larger third wave to $69 or higher, that would be ideal. And then we could even move towards 100, but Link needs to hurry up. Link needs to hurry up. There's a lot of work to do before that top, before we arrive at the targets, right? So yeah, like many other cryptocurrencies, Link needs to hurry up to complete the pattern before Bitcoin forms a long-term top. Very, very important. That's why I said I assume that once Bitcoin starts to consolidate again, money might flow back into the altcoins for another speculative run to complete, first of all, that larger third wave there. So it's all looking good, provided we hold above 17.65. We should move towards $69 next. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.